Hello, everyone. It's Rick.
And Lisa.
We should actually introduce ourselves. Hey, we're Spotlight Trust, and I'm super excited because we have a big old box from Amazon, who is publishing our new book, The Future is Trust, Embracing an Era of Trust-Centered Leadership. So I'm kind of off-centered because I have this on a stool. So shall we get to unboxing, Lisa?
Yeah, let's open up the author copies. Okay. Drum roll.
Okay. And I realized I probably should have cut the tape before.
It's real. It's live.
It's real. It's all live.
On camera. Well, off camera, on camera.
Off camera, slicing things with an X-Acto blade. Which, a funny trust story. I used to be really scared of them, but then you use them a lot in art school, and then now suddenly I trust myself with having a bunch of those hanging around.
Cut away from the body.
Cut away. Yes.
Cut away.
Cut away. Ooh. Look at, I just need to show you this because this is very just interesting to me. It's such fascinating, it's kind of like paper. Square packing with cardboard on the inside.
It's nice it's not a whole bunch of plastic.
Yeah, totally. Appreciate that.
It also looks like the box is more appropriately sized to the contents.
It's true. And ta-da!
Ooh, fancy.
The finished copy, print version. We've got the full color magic, photos, design.
Oh, the gold looks gold.
Oh yeah. The gold does look gold. Here we go.
That looks slick if I do say so myself.
I concur.
How's it feel?
It feels nice. It's I really like the cover. It's like the kind of nice satiny finish, which I'm a big fan of for books because color comes out a little bit better, but it's also a little bit more resilient. And it's also like this nice kind of smooth feeling. I don't know. It's fun.
Makes you want to pick it up and read it.
Yes. And I would hand one to you right now if we didn't live 1,000
plus.
It's in the book.
It's in the book. So I think it's, I want to say 1,261 miles. And I'm saying miles, and I'm the one who uses
1,281 miles or 2,062 kilometers for all of the non-American people who are smart enough to not use a ridiculous system of measurement that only one country uses. Anyway,
we're working on the Zoom teleport.
We're working on it. But awesome. Thank you so much for watching this. You can pick up your copy now at thefutureistrust.com or pretty much any bookstore. And if they don't have it in the bookstore, feel free to ask them and they can order it for you.
Same with your library.
Yes, same with the library. Go into your library and ask them to get a copy. But thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed seeing us open a box.
Go get your box. Your box.
Go get your box. Yes. And if you want an actual box of books, please feel free to email us for specials on bulk book orders. There we go. And hello@spotlighttrust.com. Awesome.
Thanks, everyone. Go get your book.
Bye-bye.